So now come to next question, number 14, exercise 1, phase 1, circle, mathematics chapter. It is from 11th class. The abscissa of 2 points A and B are the roots of the equation. Abscissa means x1, x2, and their ordinates of 2 points A and B. So let A be x1, y1, and B be x2, y2. So abscissa are the roots of this. That means x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a, sum of the root, and x1, x2 is equal to minus b square. Similarly, y1 plus y2. Ordinates are the roots of this equation. So y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2p, and y1, y2 is equal to minus q square. Don't think that this is in x. Here, ordinates are the roots. Ordinates can be, that be roots may be alpha, beta. And issue of alpha, beta is calling ordinates. Means y1, y2 are the roots of this. Find equation of the equation in the radius of the circle with AB as diameter. I have to find equation with AB as diameter. So standard form is there, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This will be the answer. So if you simplify this, you will get x square minus x into sum of the root plus x1, x2 plus y square minus y, y1 plus y2 plus y1, y2 is equal to 0. Put the values. So we'll get x square minus x, x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a. This is minus b square plus y square minus y minus 2p minus q square is equal to 0. So this will be x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square plus q square is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. So he is asking find the equation of circle, radius and the radius. So radius will be how much? Center is minus a comma minus b. This is the center. Radius is equal to g square plus f square minus plus b square plus q square. G square plus f square minus c. So this will be the center, this is the radius, and this will be the equation of circle. That completes the question. Thank you.